So, this happened. Your portfolio grew. Your inspections? Still taking hours. And now you're thinking, how am I supposed to get anything done today? Here's the thing. Inspections take time. Scratch that. Inspections take time without DoorLoop. Open the DoorLoop app. A conversation with your AI assistant begins. Add your layout, or let AI build one for you. Where to check, what to capture. Walk the property, snap photos, add notes as you go. One room, then the next. DoorLoop AI Inspections puts everything where it belongs. Nothing missed. Don't stop there. Click once, get a complete report. Photos matched. The details too. Oh yeah, it's a legal document, ready to sign. Things to fix? New work orders sent in a flash, with your notes and photos attached. All of that done before you're in your car. No late night catch-up, no photo detective work. Inspections done in minutes, not hours, minutes. It's how they always should have been. Faster, cleaner, finished. Go to DoorLoop.com, all-in-one property management software, now including AI-powered inspections.